In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your block list on LinkedIn. If you've ever blocked someone and later wondered who's on that list or whether you want to undo it, this walkthrough will make it simple. Blocking is a helpful way to protect your privacy and keep your feed and messages positive. And LinkedIn makes it easy to review everyone you've blocked and make changes if you need to. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. Just to give quick context, you might have visited someone's profile in the past. Tap the three dots next to the message button, chosen report or block, and then confirm your choice. Once you do that, LinkedIn quietly adds that profile to your block list. Now let's get to where you can view that list. From the main screen, tap your profile icon at the top left. This opens your account area where you can jump into your profile and your app preferences. At the bottom left, select Settings. This is the control center for your account. It's where LinkedIn puts all your privacy, security, and notification options so you can customize your experience. Inside Settings, look for the section called Visibility. You'll usually find it about halfway down the menu. Visibility controls who can see your activity and how your information is shared across LinkedIn. Go ahead and tap Visibility, then scroll down until you see the option labeled Blocking and tap that. Here you'll see your full list of blocked accounts. Each entry shows the person you blocked and how long ago you blocked them. That timestamp can be a helpful reminder if you're trying to recall why you made that decision. If you decide you want to reverse it, simply tap the blue button next to their name to unblock. Unblocking restores their ability to view your profile and interact with you according to your current privacy settings. So only unblock if you're comfortable with that. If you're unsure, it's perfectly fine to leave them on the list and come back later. Think of this page as your hub for managing blocked profiles. It's a great place to review past decisions, clean up old blocks you no longer need, and keep your LinkedIn experience aligned with the kind of networking environment you want. And if your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. LinkedIn updates its interface from time to time. But the path through Settings, then Visibility, then Blocking stays consistent. That's all there is to it. I hope this helped you quickly find and manage your block list on LinkedIn. If you found this useful, consider subscribing. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.